Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create YouTube thumbnail on our phone with free application. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my mobile phone, and for today's tutorial, I would like to recommend you Canva application. You can download this application for free. You can get it from Play Store or Apple Store if you are iOS user, and you can install this application on your phone. And after you have installed this application, you can open it, and here you can go to the search menu and search for the YouTube thumbnail. Just type in YouTube thumbnail like this, and there will be a bunch of templates we can use for free. Okay, and I'm just going to click on see all. Alright, and you just need to choose the thumbnail that you like according to your YouTube theme. And for example, I'm just going to select this one. Okay, wait for a moment guys. We'll be able to customize this template. You can change the text with your own. Wait, I'm just going to change the picture. For example, I'm going to replace it with my own picture. Click on replace if you want to replace it. You can upload your photo to the Canva, but I'm just going to select the uploaded photo. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, perfect. And then you can change the tags if you want. If you want to change the tags, you just need to click on the tags like this and click on edit. And you can type in anything that you want. I'm just going to type in London vlog. Okay, you can also change the color. You can go to the color option if you want to change the color. Let's try this one. Oh, it's not good. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, perfect. Okay, and once you're ready to save the YouTube thumbnail, you can click on this download icon, and the thumbnail will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create YouTube thumbnail on our phone with free app. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.